watching The Angle and I'm Ekta Rathore. So let's start our bulletin with headlines first. Indo-Canadian scientist Dr. Hardeep S. Kochhar has been appointed as the next president of the Public Health Agency of Canada, will assume charge later this month. PM Narendra Modi welcomed PM of Denmark Mette Frederiksen at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi, calling the bilateral meeting a milestone. Congress Working Committee meeting on October 16 in New Delhi to discuss forthcoming assembly polls and organizational elections. Dr. Harpreet Singh Kochhar is now new president of PHA Canada. A senior Indo-Canadian scientist has been appointed as the next president of the Public Health Agency of Canada or PHAC, replacing an incumbent who has had a controversial tenure which included being censored by the Speaker of the House of Commons. Dr. Hardeep S. Kochhar, currently a senior bureaucrat with Health Canada, the country's health minister with the designation of Associate Deputy Minister of Health, will assume charge later this month, replacing Len Stewart. Denmark PM visit India today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi welcomed Prime Minister of Denmark Mette Frederiksen at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi on Saturday morning. After her warm welcome, the leader delivered a short address from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, calling the bilateral meeting a milestone for India-Denmark relations. PM Frederiksen is on a 3-day visit to India, during which she will meet President Ramnath Kovind and hold bilateral talks with PM Modi. PM Mette said PM Modi is an inspiration for the rest of the world, as he has set some very ambitious target when it comes to clean water or a renewable energy. I am proud that PM Modi has accepted my invitation to visit Denmark. Rajnath Singh inaugurated Indian Coast Guard. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Saturday presented Gallantry and Meritorious Service Medal to Indian Coast Guard personnel at the investiture ceremony being held at the National Stadium complex in the national capital. Speaking on the occasion, the Defence Minister said that the Indian Coast Guard was started with 46 boats, and today, with more than 150 ships and 66 aircraft, it holds an important place in the world's best maritime forces. CWC announced new update today. Congress Working Committee meeting to be held on October 16 in New Delhi to discuss current political situations, forthcoming assembly polls and organizational elections. G23 had demanded CWC meeting. Very important discussion will be taken regarding Congress presidentship. A strategy will be made regarding UP elections and regarding upcoming elections in 5 states. Discussions about Lakhampuri tragedy or about farmer protests will happen in this meeting. NCP leader Nawab Malik new statement has come. NCP leader and Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik stepped up his attack on the central agency. The NCB has so far arrested 18 people, including Aryan Khan, son of Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan, after allegedly seizing drug from the Goa-bound ship. After raid on the cruise ship of Mumbai coast, NCB Sameer Wakhade has said that 10 people were detained. But the truth is that 11 people were detained. Later, 3 people, Rishabh Sachdeva, Prateek Gaba and Amir, were released. NCB put raid today in Imtiaz Khatri office. The NCB is searching the residence and office of film producer Imtiaz Khatri in Bandra in connection with the cruise ship drugs case in which Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan has been arrested, an official said on Saturday. He added that Khatri's name had come up during the investigation. This comes a day after a Metropolitan Magistrate Court rejected the bail application filed by Aryan Khan, his friend Arbaz Merchant and anchor model Munmun Dhamecha, who were arrested last week in connection with the drug raid on a cruise ship. Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan is the brand ambassador of the country's most valuable education technology company Byju's. Now, after his son Aryan Khan has gone to judicial custody, Byju's has stopped all advertisements of Shah Rukh Khan. Before landing in Gujarat, Dr. Raghu Sharma held a press conference in Jaipur. In the press conference, Raghu Sharma discussed about the expansion of the cabinet. He said that if we have power, it is not necessary to be a minister. My first priority is organization and working in the organization. Cabinet expansion is the chief minister's choice. As long as this department I am removed, I will work in the organization. I am a man of the organization. My whole life has been devoted to the strengthening the organization. That's all for today. If you like our channel, please like, share and subscribe.